Today, I want to talk to you about the most important relationship you will ever have in your life: the relationship with yourself. In this fast-paced world, it's easy to get lost in the noise, to seek validation from others, or to chase approval from society. But let me remind you of one powerful truth. You are enough. As Buddha once said, you yourself, as much as anybody in the entire universe, deserve your love and affection. Self-love isn't just a nice concept or a trendy idea. It is the foundation of everything you'll ever achieve, everything you'll ever become, and everything you'll ever experience. When you love yourself, everything changes. The way you see the world, the way you see challenges, and most importantly, the way you see your own worth. But let's be real for a second. Loving yourself isn't always easy. In a world that tells us we need to be better, thinner, richer, or more successful, it's hard to feel worthy just as we are. We often criticize ourselves more than we would ever criticize a friend. But here's the secret. Self-love is not selfish. It's the greatest act of kindness you can give to yourself. It's how you heal, grow, and become the best version of you. Lucille Ball said, "Love yourself first, and everything else falls into line." This is not just about self-care, though that's important too. It's about knowing that you are worthy of love, simply because you exist. You don't need to prove anything to anyone. You don't need to jump through hoops or check boxes. You are already worthy. You may stumble. You may fall. But remember, you are a diamond, dear. They can't break you. You are resilient. You are capable. And you are deserving of every ounce of love and respect. And yes, it's okay to have bad days. Be gentle with yourself. You're doing the best you can. As they say, self-love isn't about perfection. It's about embracing who you are, with all your flaws, your scars, and your triumphs. It's about saying to yourself, I am worthy of love, today, tomorrow, and always. When you love yourself, you set the tone for how others treat you. The relationship you have with yourself directly impacts every other relationship you have. Remember, the most powerful relationship you will ever have is the relationship with yourself. Steve Maraboli. So, make a commitment today. Make a commitment to be your own biggest fan. Don't wait for others to cheer for you. Cheer for yourself. Fall in love with taking care of your mind, your body, and your soul. As Katrina Mayer beautifully put it, loving yourself isn't vanity. It's sanity. Remember, you are enough just as you are. So, love yourself fiercely. Stand tall in your truth. You don't need anyone's permission to be great, because greatness already lives within you.